Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about something that more and more people are realizing. Age is just a number, especially when it comes to starting a YouTube channel. You might be thinking, I'm too old for that, but the truth is, whether you're 45, 55 or beyond, you have a lifetime of knowledge and experience that the world needs to hear. So if you've ever thought about starting a YouTube channel but didn't think it was for you, stick around because I'm going to tell you why it's never too late and why you should start one right now. First off, let's talk about all the valuable knowledge and life experience you've gathered over the years. Whether you realize it or not, you've got wisdom to share. Maybe you've got your finances in order and you could help another person out by, giving info on budgeting, saving, or even investing. There are so many younger people out there who would love to hear from someone with real life experiences. Or maybe you've been growing a backyard garden for years and it's thriving. Why not share how you do it? Teach others how to become self-sustainable and grow their own food. Gardening, homesteading, these things are in demand right now. Or are you handy? Maybe you're great at fixing things, cars, appliances, woodworking, whatever it is. Someone out there wants to learn how to do it. Have you ever went on Google, YouTube, how to fix, how to do, why does this? You found a video. Somebody, made a video and taught that. YouTube is one of the biggest platforms for learning, and your expertise could reach people all over the world. It's not just about teaching the younger generation. There are plenty of people your age or even older who are looking for relatable content. They might be going through the same life changes as you. Maybe they're getting ready to retire, downsizing, or looking to make a career shift later in life. They want to hear from someone who understands where they're coming from. Starting a YouTube channel isn't just about teaching. It's about connecting with others who share your interest. You can create a community around topics you love and share stories and experiences that resonate with people in your age group, or even inspire younger people looking for guidance. One of the biggest things about starting a YouTube channel is the freedom it offers. Imagine not being tied to a 9-to-5 job anymore. YouTube allows you to set your own schedule, work from anywhere, and create content at your own pace. It's flexible, it's fun, it's a way to keep your mind active while pursuing something you're passionate about. Plus, being able to share your ideas and creativity with an audience can be incredibly fulfilling. You're no longer just consuming content, you're creating it. You get to choose what you want to talk about, share your voice, and control your own narrative. Now let's talk about something a lot of people overlook, the potential to make money on YouTube. Whether you're retired, semi-retired, or just looking for a way to supplement your income, YouTube can be a real game changer. Once you build an audience, you can monetize your channel through ads, sponsorship, affiliate marketing, even selling your own products or courses. For some people, YouTube has become a way to replace their retirement income or add to it in a significant way. And the great part is, you're making money while doing something you enjoy. Whether that's teaching, sharing stories, or just talking about your hobbies. Some of you might be thinking, I am way too old for tech. I'm not tech savvy enough. But the truth is, it's never too late to learn. There are plenty of tutorials and resources available to help get you started, from how to film videos to editing them. You don't need fancy equipment, just a smartphone and some basic editing softwares can do the trick. And as you go along, you learn and get better. The key is to start. The first video might feel awkward, but the more you do it, the more confident you become. Don't let the fear of technology stop you from sharing your voice. Think about it. No more bosses, no more punching the clock, no more rushing to meet deadlines that don't excite you. You're your own boss on YouTube. You get to choose your content, your schedule, and how you want to engage your audience. It's a level of freedom most people don't get to experience in their working lives. You get to share what excites you, what matters to you, what you believe can help others. And while you're doing that, you're also building something that could bring you financial freedom. Not sure what kind of channel to start? Here are some ideas, and I did mention a couple before. Share your tips on how to save, invest, or budget wisely, especially for retirement. Start a finance and budgeting channel. Gardening and homesteading. Teach others how to grow their own food, live off the land, and be more self sufficient. If you're into DIY and home repairs, if you're handy with tools, share tutorials on fixing things around the house. Maybe you're a cook. If you've mastered family recipes over the years, why not pass them on? Share cooking tips or start a channel focused on easy home cooked meals or cheap meals, weekly meals, weekly planning. You get the drift. If you're into traveling, you love to travel, share your adventures. Whether you're traveling locally or going abroad, the possibilities are endless. Think about what you love doing, and chances are there's an audience for it. So if you've ever thought about starting a YouTube channel, now is the perfect time. You've got so much knowledge and experience to share, and there are people out there who want to hear it. Whether it's to connect with others, teach something new, or even earn some extra income, YouTube is a platform that gives you the freedom to create your own path. If you've been considering it, take the leap. Hit that reset button and start sharing your wisdom with the world. Let me know in the comments what kind of channel you'd start, or if you've already started one. That is it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helps, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.